Welcome to the Mechatronics Mind, where hardware meets software, powered by curiosity. Let's build something extraordinary.
Today's video is about the Arrow library. Basically, the Arrow library is a powerful Python library for handling dates, times, and timestamps. It's like a smart, more convenient version of Python's built-in datetime module. So let's get started. So in command prompt, just write pip install Arrow, you will get the software. So you will get the library. Okay, just import the library, import Arrow, and then let's make a variable. You can see it's already suggesting. Okay. Let's write arrow dot now. It will give the time of now or the current time. Okay. So just write arrow dot now and then write format and it will give you the current time. Okay. Let's see hour, minute, and second. Okay, let's write hour, minute, and second. Okay. So just print it. Let's write. Okay, you can see current time equal to 6:29. Okay, and 34 is second, and you can change it like this one, and you will get only hours. Okay, let's check if it's morning. We we touch to arrow dot now. It's on. Okay, you can see AM or PM, so it's AM. Okay, let's check this arrow dot. Okay, okay. With DDD, I will get the number of days, and then with MMMM, I'll get the number of month. Sorry, I'll get the name of the month, and then date, month, and year. So let's check it out. So it is 310th day, November 6/11/2025. So now let's build an alarm clock, okay, or a single timer. Okay, then let's build an timer, okay. So for timer, I'll need two modules. One is already taken, and that is arrow, and another is time. Okay. So to get timer, I'll need to take input from the user. So I'll describe what kind of input I'm gonna take, like print timer for X hours. Timer for X hours and Y minutes. Okay, then let's take an user input, and that is time equals to input. Set your timer. Okay, let's write it as lower because probably you can make mistakes later on. Or so now I will need to create a variable or take the time from this X and from this Y. So let's try. Okay, you can see there are string variables like this one. First of all, it's timer for then space, and then X, and then again is space hour. So I will just need to extract the data. So I will use find. So here must be pose 3. So if last number is hour, this gonna happen. Okay. If user set keyboard. Uh, so I'll need to add both of these. Hour equals to int port 1 plus then for hour I'll need to use post 2, and for minutes it's post 3. Now it's okay. Okay, I don't need to convert it. So we get the current time. Let's say current time equal to arrow dot now dot format. I'll need hour only. Hour something. The current minute is that one, and then current second is this one. Okay. So I'll need to calculate the target. So target hour or next hour or maximum anything I can write. And I will write just new hour equals to yeah, current hour plus add hours is a new minute is 10 and new second is current second. Yeah, yeah, I will need to adjust it. So adjust for if new minute is 16, then I'll write it equal to new minute minus 60, and then I will need to add 1 hour. Now it's done. New hour equal to new hour percent 24. Actually. So here, if hour exceeds 24, it will wrap back to 0 hour or in the range of 0 to 23 hour. Okay, so I will need to add the final target. Okay, so in time, I don't need any arrow here, so I'll just string new hour. Then I'll with this one, string new minute and then new second. Yeah, it's fine. So print, I must set for at hours and minutes. Right. I must set for at hour. Then let's say need to go at for in time. So now it's fine. Now I will need to create wait for the time to finish. Okay, so I will need to use while loop. While true, if it is our current time. Okay, let's say time or current time. There is wrong. The current time. Time equal interval. Let's say kids times up. Mm, and now it's done. Now it's done. Just try time dot sleep. Let's say 1 second. So let's check our code if it works. Oh, sorry, I'll need to use terminal for this one. Just try Python and the name of this timer dot 2.5. Okay. So you can see set your timer in hour or minutes. So let's check for minutes. Timer for 1 minute. Wait, there is something wrong. Ah, an hour. Okay, so there is a mistake I did, and that was these two conditions. First of all, it's post 3 minus 1. So if user says only hour, then how could I add this one to minutes? So let's do a bit. Let's try add hour and write this as minutes. And again, this is wrong too. And I think these two are okay. Now let's check. Now let's go to terminal. Then timer for 1 minute. Yeah, timer set for 0 hours and 1 minute. Let's see if it really works. Okay. So, then here I will just paste it. There is alarm.web. You can listen to it. You can say it's time's up. So when the time is up, I will just mm, start the alarm. Okay. So just I will within for system and then mm, also I will just need to add OS here. OS OS.system. Start alarm.web. For Windows, use Mail. Let's see if it's work. Okay, let's check which one works. I'm gonna use start. So you can see it's fine. So by this, you can create your own timer module or own timer application. So that's all for today. So goodbye, and I'll provide the code in the description.